What's up everybody, it's Jason with Jeep. Time for another video. Having some problems with the 96 Cherokee this time. Once in a while it won't start, it acts like the battery's completely dead, lose all the presets on the radio, the lights won't light up, nothing happens when you turn the key. Go out there and jiggle the positive battery cable and it'll start to work. Now when you do that, sometimes it'll start but run really rough and just acts weird. So I'm thinking that there's just a lot of corrosion built up on the terminal. So I'm going to replace them. It's just a few bucks, an easy fix, and hopefully it solves everything. So let's get to it. Before we get to that, don't forget we've got Jeep t-shirts available now. I'll put a link up here in the corner, one of these corners, one of them, and that'll take you to the website where you can link up to check out the t-shirts, and they're pretty cool. I found a local northern Michigan company called Sunfrog that will print them up for me and get them shipped out to you real quick, and they're pretty dang affordable too. So check those out, but let's get to the repair. So I don't know if it's showing up on the camera, but there's a lot of corrosion built up right in there and then around the bottom of the post. And what's happening is I'm losing contact on the positive battery terminal. So every once in a while I'll get in the Jeep and go to turn the key and the battery acts like it's dead. So I'll have to come out here and pound on this with a little mallet or something, get the contacts going again, and then the Jeep starts right up. But it actually affects it. It doesn't run right all the time, and you can just see there's a lot of corrosion built up right there where this positive wire goes into. So we're gonna cut these wires off, strip them to where it's clean, and attach a new battery terminal to the positive side and the negative side real easy, and clean off the post while we're doing it. So for just the ease of the video, I'm going to go ahead and just do the negative post to show you. Once that's free, this one looks like it's already been replaced once, but we're going to do it again. So we're just going to loosen these, and these wires should come right out. Then what I'm also going to do is use one of these terminal post cleaners and just give this thing a good cleaning. The other thing you want to check are the cable ends. If there's a bunch of corrosion between the wires, you might be able to try cleaning it, but you also might be better off just hacking it off and stripping a new section of it, so it's nice and clean. These actually don't look too bad. There's a little dirt on them, but I think they'll be all right. So here's the new one. All we need to do is slip the wires through here, tighten it down, and it should be good to go. Now I'm just going to do the same for the positive side. I'm not sure if it came through on the video or not, but there was a ton of this corrosion that when I pulled the terminal off the post, it just came flying out from between the two of them, and that's what was keeping the contact from being made at points. So that's the reason why I got to change them up.
The real test will come when we go to start it up. So as you can see, there's all kinds of corrosion built up. This was the positive terminal here, and you can just see all the corrosion on the inside. It's just bad.
All right, so there we go. Hopefully it helped you out. Total cost on this repair was about $5. Those terminals were about $2.50 a piece, and the Jeep's running great now, and doesn't seem like I'm going to have any more problems with the battery. Now, if you're having similar problems and it's not the terminals, like I say, you can try cleaning them, but it might be just as easy and more beneficial to replace them. But if you're having similar problems where it's not starting or running really odd and you can't figure out any other problem why it's running odd, it might be an electrical problem. You might be having bad grounds or things like that. So check that all out. Make sure there's no corrosion on the terminals, no grease built up on where the grounds connect or anything like that. And that might solve your problem. So thanks for watching, and more videos to come. Don't forget, get a t-shirt.